Hello everyone, welcome to our geometry series. Today we are diving into another powerful circle theorem, the cyclic quadrilateral theorem. This one is a must-know for exams like WAEC, JAMB, IGCSE and SAT. So let us start. What is a cyclic quadrilateral? A cyclic quadrilateral is simply a four-sided figure. All the vertices lies on a circumference of a circle. For example, if we have quadrilateral A, B, C, D inscribed in a circle, then it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So let us put this one inside this circle. We are going to have this diagram is a cyclic quadrilateral. The theorem states that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That means angle A plus angle C equal to 180. Angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree, and also angle D plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Let us go through the proof. Let us say this is our cyclic quadrilateral with center O. Let us join the center O to the vertices C and E. Let us label this angle X, and also let us label this angle Y. By the angle at the center theorem, the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So we can say our angle COE, this angle is 2y, and also our angle COE reflex, this angle is 2x. So we can say our angle COE equal to 2y, and also our angle COE reflex equal to 2x. Angles around the point add up to 360 degree. So we can say 2y plus 2x is equal to 360 degree. 2y plus 2x equal to 360 degree. Let us factor 2 out of the left hand side. 2 bracket y plus x equal to 360 degree. Divide both sides by 2 over 2 over 2. Here 1, here 1, 2 here 1, 2 in 360 degree, 180 degree. Therefore, y plus x equal to 180 degree. So we can say opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degree. Let us consider this example First, let us represent it diagrammatically. Our angle P is 72 degree. Let us put 72 degree here. And the question says we should find angle R. By the concept of cyclic quadrilateral theorem, we know that angle P plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Let us substitute 72 degree for P. So 72 degree plus angle R equal to 180 degree. Let us subtract 72 degree from both sides. So 72 degree minus 72 degree plus angle R equal to 180 degree minus 72 degree. So here we have 72 degree minus 72 degree will give us a 0. So angle R equal to 180 degree minus 72 degree, we are going to have 108 degree. 108 degree. That's our answer. In cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, if angle A equal to 95 degree and angle B equal to 85 degree, find angle C and angle D. The opposite angle to A is C and the opposite angle to B is D. So we can say angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree. And the value of our angle A is 95 degree. Let us substitute it into this equation. 95 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Let us subtract 95 degree from both sides. 95 degree minus 95 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree minus 95 degree. 95 degree minus 95 degree will give us 0. Angle C equal to, and 180 degree minus 95 degree will actually give us 85 degree. 85 degree. Now also let us find our angle D. I have said earlier that the opposite angle to B is D. So summation must be 180 degree. Angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. The value of our angle B is 85 degree. Let us substitute it. 85 degree plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Let us subtract 85 from both sides. 85 degree minus 85 degree plus angle D equal to 180 degree minus 85 degree. 85 degree minus 85 degree will give us 0. Angle D equal to, and 180 degree minus 85 degree will give us 95 degree. That is our answer. Practice questions. To summarize, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180 degree. That means our angle C plus angle E equal to 180 degree. Our angle D plus angle F equal to 180 degree. In the next video, we continue with more circle theorems, so make sure you check out the playlist link below. And if you missed the previous lesson, you can find that link too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more maths made easy.